This is a strike hand. Utilising state-of-the-art technology, he will effectively capture lightning into a Sierra 10 containment unit or bottle. And although his job may present great risk, it is for the greater good of all mankind. We are honoured that you have expressed interest in our Strike Hand programme. Godspeed and good luck.